Yeah, ready.
Bless the name of the Lord, people of God. Big up is the life that will live peace for us. Today I know that you are not our home, but you belong to Jesus. So what will it be when we get over here?
Yes.
Minister Grant and our brother from Wheaton Son.
Aye.
Home.
Alright, this is him.
I want to know that you better get right
With God, yay.
Right, every mighty blessed by God. And I
Yes.
hold it to his hand. The journey
Almost over.
And I have a feeling
in my heart. Yes.
I believe today that God is not dead.
He's alive.
He said, God, we are giving God thanks. I am giving you a warning. A new day is coming. People of God, we are living for Christ and we never be happy. I want to encourage somebody that before the day is over, he shall be rest at the latter days. Praise God. People of God, tomorrow I'm going to just put in my teeth and I know that who can find a virtuous woman. People of God, I want to encourage you today that I thank you, Minister Carol, and your son for your service for tomorrow. I pray that the power of God will overcome. People of God, for me phone me depend today is doing the TikTok video, and I believe that the coming of the Lord is sure. People of God, let not your heart be troubled. I know that the God that we serve, I know people are gonna love your brother and sister. Treat your wife good. Bless the Lord of the people of God. Take care of your husband good. And I know that in COVID,